Hey guys, in this video we will see how to deploy your Angular app in Firebase. I am going to show step by step from creating project to deploying to Firebase. So first of all, let's create a project, ng new and project name. So my app. Would you like to add Angular router? So as of now I don't. I wanted to use CSS. Yes. It's gonna to create project for me, a new project. So it will take some time. So once it will be done, I will be back. Here you can see our project is ready. Now let's get into the project. So cd my app. Okay. Now let's try to execute this project. So ng serve and give flag as open to auto open. What it will do, it will compile your project and it will open on your browser. As you can see here, it's compiling and compiled successfully, and it's got open in browser. So our application is running perfectly. Now let's get into the app HTML app component HTML and copy all the files and remove it. Now here give h1 tag and type Angular app. Okay, so you can see here our changes is reflecting here, right? Now what I will do, I wanted to deploy this application into Firebase. So first of all, let's stop it, Control C and give Y. Now we have to install one package to get access of Firebase. So npm install globally Firebase tools. Okay, so this package will give you access to Firebase. Because already I have installed, so I am not going to install once again. Next you have to write here Firebase login. Okay, hit enter. So this command will ask you to make login into Firebase. So as you can see here, it's asking allow Firebase to collect CLI usage and error reporting information. So give flag as a yes. Now it will open a site and it will ask you to select the account. So let me select my account, and next, so you can see here Firebase CLI want to access your Google account, so you have to give permission, allow, and now you are done. So let's come back. So you can see here you logged in as and your account. Now what we have to do, before deploying our project, we need to build it. Now we have to execute one command called ng build. So basically what this command will do, that it will compress all our project into a single file. Okay, so if I am dealing with a big project, there will be so many components, so it will create a simple file with the less dependency, and there will be one folder dist. Inside that the build is going to be. So as you can see here, it's building. So now our build is ready. You can see here dist folder. Inside this folder I have this my application, and my application have all the files. Okay, now let's go to the Chrome and type here Firebase, Google Firebase. Okay, let's go to this website. You can find this website in description of this video. So here we have two options, get started or go to console. Click on either of them. as you can see here, I am getting bunch of project. If you are coming here for first time, so you will not able to see any project. So click on add project. You have to provide your name, project name. So Angular app, continue. Here you have to click continue. Next, default account, yeah, create project. So what this will do, it will create a project, a Firebase project for you. Okay. So just wait, it's almost completed. Yeah, so it's done. Now we don't have to do anything anymore here. Let's close it. Now come to here. What we have to do first, already we have installed Firebase tool. We logged in. We have created our build, and as well as we have created Firebase project. Now let's do Firebase init initialization. Okay, so it's going to ask bunch of question to you. So are you ready to proceed? Give yes. So which service you wanted to use? So basically we wanted to host our application. So use top arrow and down arrow to move, and in order to select, click spacebar, click enter hosting. So use an existing project. Yeah, so just we have created. So here you will get all the your project name. So Angular, you can see here Angular app, which one just we have created. So select it and hit enter. Now it will ask what do you want to use as your public directory. So let's come to the dist folder, and you can see dist as our public directory. But dist, where is index file? Inside dist there is a my app, and here index.html. So what we have to do, dist, inside that my app. Okay, so we have to give dist my app, hit enter. Next, configure as a single page application. Yeah, so we want single page application. File dist my app index is already exist. Override. So it's asking to override, so give yes. Now we are done. So all the setup is done. What we have to do right now, so Firebase, and let's deploy it. Give Firebase deploy. So what it will do, already we have selected that which project we wanted to deploy, in which project. So it will deploy our application to Firebase. Okay, and it's depend on your application, how much bigger your application is. According to that it will take time, and it's gonna to upload all the files of the build folder. Okay, so it's done. You can see here I am getting one hosting URL. So let's click on this. So open it. So we are getting this page, not getting Angular app. Make changes here, public as a dist, and let's deploy. So Firebase deploy. Once again, Okay, so you don't have to do, please, it might be the compilation error. So dist myf and deploy once again. So now you can see I am getting my application running on this port. Okay, so what basically will happen, the most of the people they used to give like this. So at that time they will get this error. Okay, because it's not set up, it's completely done. So what you have to do, dist inside that my app. So now it's running fine. Okay, you can see here, and it's the Firebase URL. You go to the Firebase, click on this icon and it will open for you. Okay, now you can see our application is running and it's deployed at this time. Okay, so if you are facing any doubt, please let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.